Welcome guys, today I'm with the Marshall Acton II speaker and I'm going to show you how you can pair it with your iPhone. So at first you have to power on this speaker. You can make it by using this button. Click and hold until this LED just turns on. And then you have to click on this button to switch to the Bluetooth connection. And then you have to click and hold it to boot it to the pairing mode. So when this indicator is blinking, it means that this speaker is visible to other devices, wireless. So right now we have to grab your iPhone, open the settings, you have to go for the Bluetooth, tap on the switcher, and then take a look on this devices, select Acton II, and as you can see, after a few seconds, we are successfully connected. So that's how we can make it step by step. If you find this video helpful, just remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.